guys, so today I am going to be building Sundvik by Ikea. It is a little white table, and this is actually my second table that I have gotten for my kids. The first one, my son decided to stand on it and jump on it, and he broke it. So we have replaced it. It is a great little table. It's $40 at Ikea. I'm hoping it won't take too long to build it. And we are actually going to place it right here, so it works as a vanity, and it also works as a tea party table. So anyways, this is how it's going to get built. So the first part is, of course, to open everything and take it out. Definitely seeing what the parts are and becoming familiar with them so that you're not struggling later trying to find the right pieces. You will need a screwdriver or a drill and a 10mm wrench for this project. Now, assembling the frame at the bottom of the table is the first thing you're going to do, and you just need to make sure that you have enough room to lay it out like I did, and also that the parts are in the right direction. There's a white side, and you want that white side in the exterior and the plain side in the interior. And you're going to attach these brackets to the sides using just short little screws, and I used a drill. You could definitely use a screwdriver to do this, but it goes by way quicker if you use a drill. So once that is done, you can go ahead and attach it the same way to the sides, and like I said, the holes are already pre-drilled, so it's a pretty quick and easy process to attach them. You just have to line it up, and it's pretty much easy after that. So once this frame is finished, you can go ahead and place it on top of your table, and you're going to attach it to your table. Just make sure that when you do the first one that you align it perfectly to the pre-drilled holes, and it's pretty straightforward. Now this is the hardest part for me. You have to add these little metal screws to the legs, and it's two pieces. One is inserted at the top, and then the other one gets so you drop it in, and then the other one just screws in. You kind of have to align the holes perfectly, and that could be a little time to do it because it did not want to anchor itself, and it was just a little bit of a headache. But once you get the four legs done, it's pretty easy. You just use the washer, and you kind of by hand just screw them in place, and that's where the wrench comes in. You will need a wrench to tighten it because doing it by hand is not going to work at all. So like I said, this is a 10mm. It's the only one that I found in my husband's toolbox that worked. And that's it. I mean, it's that easy to assemble this. It looks perfect. Like I said, I used it as a vanity and for tea parties later.